Now it's time for me to show you how to use the Stand Assist Sling with the SA family of sit-to-stand products. You can see that the Stand Assist Sling is shaped like so, with an additional little support strap here in the center, and a cushion at the bottom. The cushion at the bottom is what's actually going to lower down behind the patient in this kind of the lumbar support area. So when we place it on the patient, we're going to take the sling. So you lean your patient forward just slightly. Take the sling, tuck it down behind the person until the lumbar support is touching the chair. Bring the support strap around the person's waist and buckle it. And tighten it so it's nice and secure around the patient's waist. Now we want to make sure we have access to the sets of loops that are on the support vest. The next step, bring our sit-to-stand SA product up to the patient, open up the base, put the feet on the platform, and bring the knee brace as close as you can to the patient's knees. If you need to, you can adjust that knee brace in and out, up and down, so that it's in the right spot on the patient's knees. Just as right about right there. Lock the wheels and connect the loops on the vest to the hooks, first set of hooks on the SA. Now you can see that there's 3 sets of loops. The shorter the loop, the taller it stands somebody. The longer the loop, the further away the patient is from the lift while you're transferring them. We've got our loops connected. Now the patient would place their hands on the handles, take our remote, hit the up button, and you want the patient to lean back into the sling as much as possible during the transfer. That's very important. If the patient starts to lean forward and stand up naturally, the belt could slide up underneath their arms. So you can see it's kind of pulling the person into a standing position. Once we're in a comfortable position, unlock the casters, take the lift away from the wheelchair, close the base, and now transfer the patient to another seated position.